How to log in into Berkheimer Tax account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I will teach you guys how you can log in into your Berkheimer Tax account. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now open any browser on your device. For example, I will use Safari. Now search for Berkheimer Tax login. Here, as you can see, I have already searched for it. Once you search for it, here you will see different links on your screen. Keep on scrolling until you see this link that says Berkheimer Tax Administrator. Click on it and here you will be appeared on this type of page on your screen. Now here you will see different options on your screen. From the different options, click on the first option that says Individual e-file. Click on it. Wait for a while and this type of interface will be appeared on your screen. Zoom in a little bit at the left side and here you can see now you can enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on that click here button. Or if you are a new user, you can also tap on create new account option. So in this simple way, you can log in into Berkheimer Tax account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.